Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.
So guys, it's been a very quiet, lazy, relaxing weekend. So nothing much is happening today. I don't even have so much to post, but I will surely make something up for you guys so you guys can use it to keep yourself busy. But with that being said, I will catch you all later. Okay, bye. This is what we are enjoying our weekend with. I'm excited. Do you want to say? Ooh. This is Isiewu.
Hey, calm down, young lady.
From here to the place, from to the dining. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky.
Combing your hair with your hand gives me feelings I don't understand. Driving me crazy just looking at it. Combing your hair with your hand gives me feelings I don't.
No light, everywhere is dark. Guys, come and join us. So this is how we're enjoying our weekend, a lazy weekend.
Try something.
We are heroes too.